Taylor, can you sit down in the bathtub, please? Hello? I need you to sit down.
Mommy, look.
Aw.
Ask you.
That's so cute. Could you sit down in the bathtub? I need to get the shampoo out of your hair. Can you sit down for me? And I'll rinse it.
Whoa, Mommy.
Whoa.
In the bathtub.
You're in the bathtub. That's right.
In the bubble there.
You got bubbles in the bathtub?
Oh, yeah, bubble is right there.
You see one?
Oh, it says.
How about... How about you sit down? Could you sit down in the bubbles?
There. Papa. Yeah.
There's bubbles in that bathtub. Sit down in them. Can you sit on the bubbles? Sit down, please. I don't want you to fall. Are you ignoring me? Hello? Can you sit down? Not listening. Yeah.